Hey guys, in this video we are going to see how to prepare healthy oats. For this you need to boil half a liter of milk and add 4 to 5 tablespoons of oats. This will go good for 2 persons, a healthy breakfast too. Oats usually take 4 to 5 minutes to get cooked. Stir the oats thoroughly so that it will be cooked evenly. This is really a healthy breakfast, guys. To make it more healthy, you can add nuts and dry fruits to it. I have taken almond, pista and walnuts. You can add any nuts of your choice and have finely chopped it. Even you can add few dry fruits. My oats has been cooked and this is like little watery consistency. If you don't like this much watery, you can reduce the quantity of milk. You can even take quarter liter of milk. It's not at all a problem. Add the finely chopped nuts. To make it more tasty and healthy, we are going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of honey. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Our tasty oats is now ready to have. Please try this, guys, and leave your comments below.